This is one of my favorite weeknight meals, one pan chicken and potatoes, because all I have to do is coat the chicken and the potatoes with a delicious sauce, bake it for under an hour, and then serve it. The chicken comes out juicy and tender on the inside and golden brown on the outside. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the comment section, but you could also find it at sweetiesalado.com/en. We're going to start by mixing the sauce. So in a small bowl, we're going to mix olive oil. We're going to add lemon juice. We're also going to add paprika for flavor and coloring. Then we're going to add onion powder, your favorite herbs like thyme and oregano, fresh minced garlic, plenty of salt. I love using kosher salt, and pepper to taste. Now we give this a really good stir and then we set it aside. The potatoes that I love to use when making this recipe are baby potatoes cut in half, but you can use your favorite potatoes. Now we place them on a baking sheet. You can also use a roasting pan for this. I'm using a non-stick baking sheet, but if you're not, you can cover yours with aluminum foil or parchment paper. For this recipe, we're going to use chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs, skin on and bone in, because they cook evenly with the potatoes and because they also have the best flavor. Now we pour the sauce all over the chicken and the potatoes. Now, if you want, you can marinate the chicken in the sauce for about 4 hours before roasting. And then using our hands, we're going to make sure that the chicken and the potatoes are coated well with the sauce. I'm using my hands because it makes it a lot easier, but if you want, you can go ahead and use a spatula or some chicken tongs to do this. We're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 55 minutes to an hour, or until the chicken is cooked through, the potatoes are tender, and everything is golden brown. Now, if you notice that the chicken is a bit pale, you can place it in the broiler for about 4 to 5 minutes until it turns golden brown. And before serving, you can sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley and then just serve it with a side salad to make it a complete meal. And that's why this is one of my favorite weeknight meals, because the chicken and the potatoes are juicy and tender on the inside and golden brown on the outside.